by the marina in downtown Split. There's the palace. And Colton getting a slushie. Straighten it up.
Oh my gosh. Clean your feet out. Your eyes. Welcome to the Blue Cave. It was discovered by Austrian painter Baron Augen Ransonnet in 1884. Cave is 24 meters long here in the main space, and this main room in front of us, behind this underwater bridge. In the cave you can see light in the sea. There is underwater passage, and on the bottom of main room on your right side now is white sand. On the left side you will see better this white sand in 2 minutes. This is two crucial moments for this cave, because for that underwater passage, daylight for blue sea reflect on white sand like mirror, and you have this shadow blue. Of course, you have variations during the day, from the light blue in the morning to dark blue in the later afternoon. Please now pay attention on your left side. In the next few seconds you will see this small room with white light on the wall. That white light came from the hole above the sea. I will show you on return where it is. Through that hole this baron entered for first time to the cave. This entrance where he entered with the boat didn't exist at the time. So he saw the cave for first time from this spot. Now we are near the underwater passage. This passage to open sea is 4 meters long, reflection on the white sand. This main room where we are now and corridor are connected down the left wall, and on the bottom all is one space. So you can see the same color of the sea in all cave and the corridor too.
That, okay. It's not gonna. Nice job.
You gotta jump now.
I don't want to jump.
Like a big fish.
Little small ones.
Like a little sardine.
I can't really swim.
That's like a shark, I hope.
Can I put this under the water?
We made it.
So this is the island. This is the Blue Lagoon. Where we were a little bit ago was the island that Mamma Mia 2 was filmed. So it's so pretty. This is the Blue Lagoon. There's only like one guy that lives here.
And 2 donkeys.
And 2 donkeys.
The rest he like lets tourists come to visit.
So this is the Blue Lagoon.
Could not have been a more perfect day.
It's so pretty. So funny, because right here it looks so like deserty, but over there it's so beachy. Lunchtime. Oh yeah, get that for sure. Yeah, this is Hvar.
Oh, this is Hvar?
Yeah, so we're on Hvar.
We are.
But not actually in Hvar, the city.
Yeah, that's right.
So.
That sounds correct. Well, there's a lot more bars and stuff than I thought there was.
This is probably like the main island with all the restaurants and it has hotels and stuff like that. We made it to Hvar. Hvar?
Hvar, yeah.
Hvar.
Hvar on the city of Hvar on the island of Hvar.
Yeah, that's what I meant to say. You want to pet him?
Meet all of our friends. We want the keys to our house. Yeah?
He loves it.
Wow. Look at that, everyone.
Who is everyone?
All of our followers.
My family?
Yes. The open ocean out towards Hvar. And we're on our way up to hiking towards the
city?
Castle.
Right here?
Oh yeah, let's go this way a little bit. This is the beautiful city of Hvar. And that's my beautiful wife, Daniela. Okay, ciao for now. Okay.
still hiking, but it looks so cool with all these rocks. It looks really like deserty. It's so cool here. We made it to the other side of the fortress, which I can't even really see from up here. Okay. We love dumping water on our heads. And then there's Hvar. Such a pretty view. Colton, come here. This whole road to ourselves. Well, not road, this is like the stairway to something. Where are we going after here? Just swimming?
Swimming. Somewhere.
We're going swimming again.
Finally, because it's so hot.
It's really hot. This is like the sunniest city in Croatia?
Sunniest city in Croatia. Your finger's in the way, so I'm hiding behind your finger.
Oh no. I'm jumping in. Okay.
You did it?
Yeah, as close as I could.
Hold on. Do a backflip now. Thank you very much.
Me?
Yeah.